Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can delete your GitHub account. To do this, you need to do it in a Google browser. You can use any browser for this process. So click open new tab on your browser and there on the search bar you type in GitHub, github.com and press enter. This will open the official web page. In the official web page, you need to click on sign in over here on the top right. Once you do that, you will be at this page where you need to first get logged in. Type in your account details, type in your password, click on sign in. Now once you are signed in into the account, you need to click on your profile over here and click on drop down menu. Then click on setting. In the settings section, you need to go to the accounts over here from the menu, the left menu. Click on account. In the account, you just need to keep scrolling. At the very end, you will see the option delete account. Once you delete your account, there is no going back. Please be certain. Click on delete your account. We will immediately delete all of your repositories along with all your fork, wikis, issue, pull requests and everything. So once you delete your account, you will have all the data in this account will be permanently deleted. After 90 days, your username will be available to anyone on GitHub as well. Type in the username or the email address of yours over here. Confirm the deletion process. Then below, at this text box, you need to type in delete my account. And then at the end, you click on this cancel plan and delete this account. And just with that, your account in GitHub has been permanently deleted. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.